Hi Amazon sellers, want to boost your Amazon sales? It's all about the optimization of your product listing, and let me show you how. First, use the high quality images because clear and professional images can make a huge difference. Next, craft a clear and descriptive title and also include your brand name, product type, and key features. Use bullet points to highlight the important features and benefits, but make it easy for customer to scan and understand. Don't forget keyword. Conduct keyword research to ensure a product appears in the relevant searches. Optimize your listening with these tips and watch your sales growth. So follow me for more tips on Amazon.